Starting to read the Bible can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Think of it as opening a letter from God, written to guide, encourage, and inspire you. If you're new, begin with the Gospels: Matthew, Mark, Luke, or John. These books tell the story of Jesus, his teachings, and his love for humanity. They give you the heart of the Christian message right from the start. Next, choose a translation that's easy to understand. Versions like the NIV or NLT are written in clear, modern language, making the message accessible without losing meaning. Set aside a regular time each day, even 10 minutes, to read. Find a quiet spot, silence distractions, and approach the text with an open mind. Reading slowly, reflecting on a few verses at a time, can be more impactful than rushing through chapters. Prayer is a key part of Bible reading. Ask God to give you wisdom and understanding as you read. Jot down your thoughts in a journal, highlight verses that stand out, and let the words shape your daily decisions. Finally, remember that the Bible is not just a book of information, but a guide for transformation. It's about building a relationship with God, learning His story, and finding your place in it. Reading the Bible is a journey, not a race. Start small, stay consistent, and let God's word speak to your heart.